Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so today was also a very wonderful day, and yesterday one of the most famous political cartoonists, that was R.K. Lakshmanan, passed away. Unfortunately, he was at the ripe age of 94. He was a very good cartoonist. He used to draw animations in the daily newspaper, in the daily news in India. He only invented the cartoon that was the common man. He was a very brave person. He was not scared to reveal his truth. At least we'll all will be scared, right? So it was like he was a political cartoonist. So he used to make cartoons on politics, like we see in the newspaper, and also he invented the common man, that is very famous, the very famous animated cartoon. Even in our newspaper and all we can see cartoons like that. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello. Hello, what's your name? Kale, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, yesterday was in Republic Day, right?
Yes.
Okay, so today you went to school, right?
Yeah.
So what all did your friends say?
They said Happy Republic Day in advance.
And not in advance, belated, right?
Yeah.
Advance is like if Republic Day was tomorrow.
Okay. I forgot about it.
Okay. So they wished you Happy Republic Day and all, right?
Yes.
So did they see the parade yesterday?
I didn't ask them about it.
Okay, you never asked them about it. Okay, anyway, no problem. We have anyway. So what? Your school was just a normal day today, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just a normal day. You got so much homework. Maybe you got scoldings from teacher, then came to school.
I did not get.
Okay, you are a very good boy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then you came back home. Then you are watching Kiddo Kids.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have your exams going on now?
Yes, monthly test.
Okay, monthly test.
Yes.
Okay, that's a formative assessment, I guess.
No. At end of the month, they will give a test on what did you learn.
Okay. So it will be full mixed, right? Not only one subject.
Yeah, all the subjects.
All the subjects. Okay.
Yes.
So which is the subject that you feel is the most easy?
Maths.
Maths. Maths is the most easy for you, right?
Yes.
And which grade are you in?
5th.
5th grade.
Yes.
Okay, 5th grade maths is easy. When you come to 7th only you'll realize.
You are in 7th grade?
Yeah, I am in 7th grade.
Okay.
And I hope you know my name.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, today also we'll be having the SMS contest.
Okay.
Okay, so anyway, I hope you're looking forward to win.
I don't know what's the question.
Okay, question I'll be revealing soon.
Okay.
Okay, so after that you can start sending your SMS.
Oh.
Okay. Anyway, which game do you want to play, or do you want to sing a song for me?
I want to play game.
You want to play a game?
Yes.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
Atlas.
Atlas. So your favorite is Atlas, I think.
Yes.
Okay, anyway, you start.
In Tibet.
Tibet.
Yes.
Tanzania.
Tanzania. Which letter?
The last letter is A.
A. Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. D. Dubai.
I. India.
India in A, right? Amsterdam.
Yes. Amsterdam. M. Malaysia.
I didn't hear you. Malaysia. Okay. A. Angola.
Angola.
Yeah.
A.
Yeah.
Austria.
Australia.
Austria.
No, you said Austria. Now I am saying Australia.
O. A. America.
Again A for me. Okay, Agra.
Agra. A.
Yeah.
Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, that was a very nice game. So did you enjoy the game?
Yes.
Okay, Mikhail, thank you for calling.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was one of our usual callers, KL. You know, he mostly calls us every day. And you know, first, even in my class, there's a boy like the same name. So I get confused actually. But the boy in my class, his name is Kyle actually. And this boy's name is KL. So I get confused between their names actually. Okay, anyway, today I told you we'll be having an SMS contest question. And the question for today is, which month has 28 days? And first of all, when you hear this question, first what comes to your mind will be one answer. I know what is that answer also. So anyway, don't now think this is not a GK question. This is a tricky question. So according to that, you answer. Which month has 28 days? Actually, you know, most of us will only think one answer, but think more than that. Then you will get the answer. Okay, that you know, the format to send your answers is NTV space, your answer space, your name, and you have to send it to 3537. So don't forget to send in your right answers. Don't send in your wrong answers. You know, because most of them maybe might send the wrong answers. And today also, my topic for today is a place. Before going into that, which topic? What is my topic? Let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello,
Hello. What's your name?
Tanya.
Tanya. How are you?
Fine.
Welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
Okay, Tanya, what did you do today?
As usual.
Hello?
Hello.
Okay, I couldn't hear you. Could you repeat once more?
As usual.
Okay, as usual, normal day. You went to school, came back.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the, you know, what is the least thing you don't like in school?
What is the?
What is the thing that you least like in your school?
Nothing like that.
Okay, so you like everything in your school.
Yeah.
Actually, for me, it will be like, you know, waking up in the morning. First of all, I hate that about that. Then second, the bus trip. I'll be very sleepy and then I'll sleep in the bus. And when I wake up, I'll be tired to get out of the bus. So big problems there. Then third is coming back. The coming back will be like, then I have to reach my home. That's all. You know, I don't feel that good at all.
So you don't like school?
Yeah, I like school. Okay, I like to go. I like going to school, but just the going part and coming back part is not that good.
Oh.
Only that. But school is fun, right? We can meet our friends. We can talk to them. We can play with them like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, Tanya, are you planning to sing a song from you, or we'll straight skip forward to a game?
Good.
Okay, let's you know, jump to the game. Which game do you want to play?
What are they?
Now I have everything except Atlas.
Okay. I'll take spelling.
You'll take spelling. Okay, you know, because actually spelling maybe it might be easy for you. Okay,
Yeah.
tell me the spelling of
Give me a tough
association.
one.
Okay, tell me the spelling of associations.
Okay. ASSOCIATIO.
I didn't hear you actually. Could you tell once more?
A
Okay.
SSO
Hmm.
CIA
CIA. Okay.
TION.
Okay, that is the correct answer. Because when you were telling slowly, right, I didn't understand. I'm like trying to connect everything. AS. Okay, SSOCIA. Everything, you know, my mind totally went confused.
Oh.
So when so next time you do spelling, tell a little bit fast, but in a clear, but in a fast way. Okay, little fast.
Yeah.
If you give pauses, then I will have to connect all that.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, anyway, that is the correct spelling. So you know, I found this word interesting because it has double S. Maybe people will, you know, maybe people will feel wrong in that. Okay, anyway, Tanya, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Tanya who called us, and you might be wondering, right? You know, what if I send this SMS? What will you get? Yes, now you know, whoever wins this SMS contest will get a ticket to go with their family to a circus. That is a Latino circus. That's a live circus that's happening in Abu Dhabi. So if you win this, you will be getting a call from here as soon as possible. Okay, anyway, I told you we'll be talking about a topic that is, you must be thinking, what is my topic? My topic is Greenland. It's the, it's the, you more, if you're in 5th grade, you must be knowing where is Greenland. You must be learning about Greenland. Now we can see a map of Greenland and the, the entire, it's really huge, right? That is why it is even noticed that it is huge. That is, it is the largest island in the world. Actually, it is not a country, because we always think it's a country, but actually this Greenland, it is a island, and also it is the largest island in the world. Okay, well, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Sachin.
Sachin, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
Sachin, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, so I think you're in a very jolly mood today.
Yeah.
Why?
Because next week I'm going to Greenland.
Okay, next week you're going to Greenbelt.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're very happy. But you said you are in Brown Belt, right?
What?
You said you are in Brown Belt, I think.
No, black.
Okay, from black, how can you go to green?
No, I got white, yellow, blue, purple, green. From green, brown, 4, brown, 3. From brown 2, I got promoted to black.
Okay, so actually you're going for karate only, right?
Yeah.
But actually karate is like first is white, then yellow, then orange, then comes...
No. Yeah, I think you are taking the Korea one. For the America, the Japanese one is white, yellow, blue. Because before it was white, yellow, green. Now it's
Okay, so what is your order actually?
white, yellow, blue, purple, green, brown, 4, 3, 2, 1, then black, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, and red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and red and white.
Okay, so that's a very long, very long thing. For us, it's not that long.
Yeah, but we will only learn till black, because if you want to learn the real karate one, you have to go to Onkishosho, Japan, and you have to learn the training. It will take something like half of your age will go, like.
Okay, so that will take a long time to do, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure I'm going to Greenland.
Okay, you're not sure. You're you're a little bit nervous about the test.
No, I'm not sure.
Okay, you're not sure. So tomorrow, so next week is your test, right?
No, it's Thursday starting from except for then I say to 26.
Okay. So,
And then my birthday is coming.
okay, when is your birthday?
March 16th.
March 16th, right?
Yeah.
So, if I have a show, I'll surely be, wishing you a happy birthday.
Thanks.
If that day I have show. Otherwise, the nearest day I'll be, wishing you.
Okay.
I'll just note that down. You are March 16th, right? Okay. Okay, anyway, Sachin. So, how's your family?
Good. Okay.
Everybody doing fine?
What?
Everybody is doing fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Sachin, what did you do in school today? Rather than the usual thing, anything special today?
Like Republic Day practice also. Everybody was happy then as usual.
Okay, everybody is happy because no need to go out to the sun now and simply exercise, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, now everybody is happy. Okay, anyway, Sachin, are you planning to sing a song for me or let's go for a game now?
A song.
A song, okay. Every time Sachin calls me, he'll sing a very nice song for us.
Okay. Which song will sing?
Oh, okay. Which song?
I sing Hindi.
Hindi, okay.
Okay. सटकली की सटकली तोड़ी तोड़ी सटकली बदले के दुश्मन के ले तारे सटकली की सटकली सटले अकल सटकली बाबा जी बाबा रे ना दे खोलो दिखने लाल के ना दे खोलो दिखने लाल के ए सीधी सादी अरे चनो दिना तने सरा परखना और ये अपनी रेन से नहीं तने आनंद ना पहले दीवार से दूर दूर किताब सी मुश्किल जवाब सी मेहंदी शराब सी एक दो तेने एक जाने के कट की सटकली वो थोड़ी सटकली बदलेगी दुश्मन के लिए तारे सटकली की सटकली सटले अक्ल सटकली बाबा जी बाबा रे. Hello.
Okay, that's a very nice song.
Thanks.
You know, I thought it was going to be continuing. Suddenly, you're like, you sang the lyrics, then you're like, hello.
It's a Happy New Year.
Yeah, I knew that song. That's why I was enjoying it.
Yeah.
You know, when you put the karaoke and sing, it will be more better.
I know.
It'll be like very nice when you sing.
Yeah.
So, okay, anyway, Sachin, which game do you want to play?
I want to play connection game.
Connection game. Your favorite address is over.
Tongue twister, tongue twister.
Tongue twister. Okay, today you are going for a tongue twister.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me black back bat 5 times.
Black bat bat.
No. Black back
Okay.
black back bat.
Black back rat. Bat. I mean, sorry. Black back bat.
Yes.
Black back bat.
No, you need to tell fast.
Black back bat. Black. No. Bat.
Gone. Now you have to start again.
Okay. Black back bat. Black back bat. Back back.
Wrong.
Okay. I'll start.
Now last chance, okay?
Okay. Black back bat.
Yeah.
Black back bat.
Okay.
Then black. Then back.
Back.
Then bat.
Okay.
Then back.
No. Black first.
Yeah, sorry. Black. Then back. Then back.
Okay, no, that's enough. At least you tried so many times. You're like, instead of black, back. Otherwise, instead of back, black.
Okay. I'll give you a question. Okay.
Okay.
Which is the longest country name? Like, for example, China it has 5 letters, so which has 14 letters?
Which is the longest, word country?
Yeah.
I don't know. Vatican City?
It starts with C.
Starts with C. I have no idea. California?
Wrong pass.
Is this a very famous country or
It's in Europe.
It's in the?
Europe.
It's in New York.
No, not New York. Europe.
Europe, okay. C. I don't know.
I pass.
Yeah, pass.
Czechoslovakia.
Okay, that I can't even pronounce that word.
Before it was Czechoslovakia was full Europe. Like it got divided. So Greenland. Greenland is part of Europe. So
Yeah.
not Greenland. Greenland and Iceland. Before they were part of Czechoslovakia. Actually, they both were Czechoslovakia. But then when Iceland got separated and Greenland got separated.
Yeah, even today I'm talking about Greenland.
Yeah, that's why before they both joined to the Czechoslovakia. Greenland, Iceland is connected to Europe, but when it became 1 and 2 centuries ago, it got expanded.
Okay, anyway, thank you for that information.
Okay, welcome.
Because I didn't know that.
Okay,
Okay, anyway, thank you for calling Sachin. Bye.
bye.
Okay, that was Sachin who called us and he gave us a lot of information about, about the division of Europe. I know the division of Europe. I didn't know about this much and all. Okay, anyway, thank you, Sachin. Okay, anyway, I told you our topic for today is the place Greenland, that is the largest island in the world. And there's also, it is an autonomous country. Actually, we all say that. It is a country within the Kingdom of Denmark. We can see the flag. There are, it's the Europe flag and the Greenland flag is on the left. That is the circle. That is red and white, colors. And also, I told you this is within the Kingdom of Denmark. It's located between the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans, east of the Canadian Arctic archipelago. So, it is geographically a part of the continent of North America. If you check geographically, it's a part of North America, but Greenland has been politically and culturally associated with Europe. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Anandu.
Anandu, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, so Anandu, so what did you do in school today?
Nothing, just like normal days.
Just like normal days. Okay, so first of all, do you like going to school, first of all?
Yes.
What is the main reason you like going to school?
Studying.
Studying. Okay. I thought you would say, talking to my friends and all. So, your favorite thing about going to school is about studying. You can study more things every day.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, very good boy.
Thank you.
Okay. So, I think you know the answer for the, maybe you'll know the answer for the SMS question.
What's the question?
The question is, which month has 28 days? But don't give me the answer.
What?
Which month has 28 days?
It's easy.
It's easy. I know which answer you have, but actually this is a trick question. It's a riddle question. So think and answer. So don't tell me the answer. Think and send your SMS.
Okay.
You might be. I know what all the viewers, most of them will be thinking, but it's actually not that. It's another answer.
Okay.
So even you thought just that only, I think.
Yeah.
Anyway, maybe I don't know. Maybe send that also. Maybe that's also correct. I don't know what you thought, right? Okay. Anyway, don't tell me what he told.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, are you planning to sing a song for me, or let's go for a game?
I'll sing a song.
Okay.
See the sun shining through the window. Time to start a new day. Can you hear the songbird singing? Announcing out the day. It's a beautiful day for running in the sun. It's a beautiful day has just begun. It's a beautiful day to do what I want to do. It's a beautiful day to be alive. It's a beautiful day, so glad that it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna share it with you. See
That's
the
a-
sun shining through the window. Start a new day. Can you hear the songbird singing? Announcing aloud the day.
Hello.
Hello.
That was a very nice song.
Thank you.
Okay. So where did you learn this song from?
School.
School. Okay. Okay. So I think you're a very good musician or something.
Thank you.
Okay. Anyway, Anand, which game do you want to play?
Which one are left?
Now I have GK questions, riddle questions, spelling, connection game, sentence making, and dictionary.
I'll go for riddles.
You'll go for riddles. I think riddles is your favorite.
Yeah, I like
Okay, your riddle question is, what is in the middle of the sky?
K.
K. Why did you say K? K is in the middle of the sky.
Letter sky is
The letter sky. Okay, are you sure your answer? Because I think that's wrong. Okay, I'm just joking. It is K. You got tensed up for a moment, I think.
yeah.
Okay, the answer is K. Because suddenly you get that's it. I told like that. Okay, that was the correct answer. Anyway, Anand, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Anand who called us. Okay, anyway, I was talking about Greenland, right? So, Greenland, I told you, if you check in the map and geographically, it is actually part of North America, but it's actually a part of, Europe. Now, you can see a picture of Greenland near the shores. They, in Greenland, one special thing, it's not that much developed also. It's very cold there, first of all. In Greenland, it's very, very cold. It goes to up to minus 24 degrees and all over there. So it's a very cold area with snow, many things like that. But this is actually sandy area what we can see right now. And the the SMS question for today is, which month has 28 days? And the format you have to send your answers is NTV space your answer space your name, and you have to send it into 3537. I hope you all know that. You can see it on the screen right now. And anyway, I was talking about Greenland. Greenland is the world's largest non-continental non-continental island, and it's the third largest country in North America. Actually, in North America is what? North America is a continent. So according to them, that's a country. According to North America, it's a country, but if you are checking the whole world, it's just an island. So it is the third largest country in North America. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Alina.
Alina, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, Alina, you called us before also, right?
Yes.
Okay, Alina. So, I think you have a sister.
No, I have a brother.
You have a brother, yeah. I remember you have a brother or sister. How is he doing?
She's going well. He's sleeping.
Okay, he's sleeping.
Yes.
Okay, Alina, can you sing a song for me?
Okay.
Okay.
I close my eyes to the curtain to see for certain what I thought I knew far, far away. Someone was sleeping, but the world was fleeting. Any dream will do. I wore my coat to the golden lining, bright color shining, wonderful and new. And in the east, the dance was making, but the world was leaking. Any dream will do.
Okay, that's a very nice song.
Thank you.
Okay, so where did you learn the song from?
I learned it from my school, my class.
Okay, your teacher taught you this.
Yeah, my music sir.
Okay, your music sir taught you. Okay. So it's a very nice song.
Thank you.
Okay, anyway, Alina, which game do you want to play?
Atlas.
Atlas is over.
Connection.
Connection is there.
Okay.
Anyway, you start.
Okay. Dress.
I didn't hear you.
Dress.
Dress. S. Okay. S. Singing.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. A. Okay. A. 8.
Huh?
8.
What, I didn't hear you.
Okay. The word is 8.
ATE.
Yeah.
Okay. E. Elephant.
Elephant.
T.
T. Tall.
Yes. And long.
Long. G. Girl.
And lion.
Lion. N. Nest.
T. Toyota.
Toyota. A. Apple.
E. Egg.
Egg. Okay, that's a very nice game. Thank you for playing, Alina.
Thank you.
Okay, anyway, tomorrow also you call, right?
Yes.
Okay, anyway, thank you for calling, Alina. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Alina who called us. And anyway, let's head back to our topic, that was, Greenland. Greenland, I told you, it is, it is the third largest country in North America. The few land mammals in Greenland include polar bear, reindeer, musk ox, Arctic wolf, Arctic fox, wolf, stoat, and Arctic hare. So now we can see a picture. See now behind the sea, you can see that mountains, right? Look at the mountains. You can see snow on them. That proves it's a very cold country. It's a very cold. You can see the mountains full of ice, and also you can see boats, ships, and all over there. And anyway, I was talking about Greenland. Greenland, there are many mammals, I told you. There are dozens of species of seals and whales along the coast. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Ravan.
Shravan, how are you?
Fine.
Shravan, did you go to school today?
Yeah.
Okay, so did your friends, see the parade?
No,
Okay, your friends didn't see the parade.
I didn't see.
Okay, you wouldn't see, I know that. You are full time sleeping.
Not full time.
When parade is going on, you are sleeping.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, like that. So I know about you. What about your friends? Your friends also are sleeping.
I didn't ask.
You wouldn't ask because I thought you called everybody and told when parade is going on, everybody has to sleep. You gave announcement in the class.
Mm.
Okay, anyway, Shravan, can you sing a song for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
Only the chorus?
Yeah,
Okay, that's a very nice song.
thank you.
Okay, so anyway, Shravan, which game do you want to play?
GK.
GK question. So you're a very clever type, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yesterday also you took GK, I think.
What?
Yesterday also you took GK, right?
Yeah. No,
Okay.
I didn't take.
Okay, you took riddle.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, I remember you took some question.
Needle.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, needle was the answer for that. Okay. Who painted the Mona Lisa?
What?
Who painted the Mona Lisa? You know the famous painting Mona Lisa?
I don't know.
Yeah. Who painted that?
Da Vinci something like that.
Yes, correct. His last one. But what is his first name?
Something.
Okay. Anyway, I'll give you the answer then.
Something like Domino.
Okay, I'll give you the answer. The answer is Leonardo da Vinci.
Oh shit! What to come?
Okay, it was in the tip of your tongue, right?
Huh?
It was in the tip of your tongue, then you forgot.
Sorry for saying that.
Okay, anyway, no problem.
Oh yeah.
Okay, the answer is Leonardo da Vinci, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, Shravan, thank you for that song and thank you for playing with me.
Mm.
Anyway, thank you for calling. Bye.
Okay.
Okay, now Shravan called us and I was wondering, if he got the answer, but he told Da Vinci and all, but he didn't get the answer. Okay, anyway, I was talking about Greenland and all now, right? So maybe let's go for let's go for a small rhyme now. So stay tuned to Kiddo Kids.